In the heart of western Kentucky, where two massive man-made lakes meet, sits a town so small it barely registers on most maps. Grand Rivers. Population, just a few hundred. Yet every year, more than 350,000 visitors pour into this speck on the map. They come for one place, Patti's 1880's settlement. A recreated pioneer village of log cabins, flower pot bread, 2-inch thick pork chops, and mile-high meringue pies that have become one of Kentucky's most unlikely success stories. To understand Patti's, you must first understand the land it sets on. For centuries, this was the land between the rivers, fertile bottomland between the Tennessee and Cumberland rivers. Then the federal government changed everything. In the 1940s, the Tennessee Valley Authority built Kentucky Dam, creating Kentucky Lake, the largest man-made lake east of the Mississippi. In 1966, the Army Corps of Engineers finished Barkley Dam on the Cumberland. Suddenly, a narrow strip of Kentucky became the land between the lakes. 170,000 acres of federal recreation land, a boater's paradise, and a magnet for tourists. This road trip, we are in Grand Rivers, Kentucky, at a very well-known spot known as Patti's. You can see back behind me. Let's go in here and check them out. Bill and Patti Tular weren't restaurateurs by trade, but Bill had a gift and a vision. In 1977, with their son Chip and partner Michael Grimes, they opened Hamburger Patti's Ice Cream Parlor in the old motel. What started as burgers and shakes quickly became something more. When you come in, expect to wait. We were, at the time that we're here now, it's a 2-hour wait. Of course, we do have reservations, but still, even with that, it's around 2 hours. So be sure to plan accordingly for your time. Now we're just going to be out here in the park area, walking around, just checking things out, and showing it to you guys. You can do your gem mining.
The American stuff, yeah.
All kinds of shirts in here. They got that 4th of July stuff, since it's going to be here in a couple of months. They began collecting authentic log cabins from the region, one bartered for 2 pork chop dinners. The first gift shop, the Wagon Wheel, arrived from nearby Possum Trot. Yes, that's a real name of a town. Others followed, Reflections, Ashley's, the Pink Tractor, Gardens, Gazebos, a wedding chapel, and even a miniature golf course. By the 1990s, Patti's 1880 settlement wasn't just a restaurant. It was a recreated 19th century village, not historically accurate to any single event, but an homage to the pioneer spirit of western Kentucky. Log walls, hand-hewn beams, and the gentle turn of a water wheel told visitors they had arrived somewhere special. Literally got a place out here get a snack or appetizers or drinks while you're hanging out waiting to get into each meal. And not very crowded today. Still, we got a couple hours before we're going to actually be able to get in. Patti's famous 2-inch thick grilled pork chops, seasoned simply, cooked perfectly, become the stuff of legends. Then came the mile-high meringue pies, baked fresh daily, and the flower pot bread served warm with strawberry butter. People started driving hours just for dinner. The strawberry butter, I'm telling you, it is amazing. Fresh bread, well worth it. Business exploded. They added dining rooms one by one. The upstairs room, the family room, the rhinestone room converted from the old carry-out booth, cedar paneling everywhere, a plane hanging from the ceiling in the new atrium. The idea of a tourist destination was born. Then came the night that nearly ended it all. February 5th, 2019. A fire tore through the original restaurant. Volunteers from the Grand Lakes Fire Department and surrounding communities rushed in. They saved antique furniture, stained glass, and decades of memories. But the heart of the settlement was gone. Demolition began. The community held its breath. The new restaurant rose in the same footprint, expanded with even more of the 1880s charm. Patti herself passed away in December 2021, but her recipes, her warmth, and her legacy live on. Cut into this 2-inch pork chop. And you can see it is cooked good all the way through.
Volkswagen from Germany. Volvo from Sweden.
The settlement continues to grow. 2 restaurants, 9 boutique shops, lodging at Patti's Inn and Suites, a petting zoo, gem mining, remote-controlled boats, even a moonshine tasting room. How is it?
I got the pork cutlet. It reminds me of a country fried steak, and it's smothered with white gravy. It is delicious.
Patti's success tells a larger story about rural America. How one family's grit, combined with the natural beauty of the lakes, can transform a quiet corner of Kentucky into a national destination. It's not corporate, it's personal. Same pork chop recipe since 1977. Same strawberry butter, the same welcome. Guys, that is Patti's 1880 settlement. I'm absolutely stuffed. This has been a great day trip, and you kind of seen on the video just a glimpse of what it is in here. There's no way I could show you all of it. It would take way too long. But guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Like and share this video. Check out all the affiliate links down below, and we'll see you next time. If you carry or keep a firearm for self-defense, you already know the truth. The fight doesn't end when the shooting stops. After a defensive incident, the legal system starts moving fast, and every word you say matters. That's why I trust Attorneys on Retainer. One call puts you in contact with a real attorney immediately, day or night, because the right move after self-defense is legal protection. Sign up today using my code and save on your membership.